wiser than King Solomon. His Lordship, my Father, my Lord, Judge Louis Lamis.
You can take your seats. And let's see what you have for me. Let's read today's case.
Hear ye, hear ye. This is the High Court of Celestial Justice, Kejetia branch, where the spiritual meets the judicial and the holy faces cross-examination. Today's case before this most honorable court is Judas Iscariot, former disciple, treasurer, alleged betrayer, vessel of destiny, versus Jesus the Christ, Son of God, Savior of the world, miracle worker. Case number 30 PC Gold 001. Judas Iscariot, the plaintiff, is suing Jesus Christ for the following: breach of prophetic contracts, selective forgiveness, and emotional neglect. The plaintiff shall be demanding 1. A throne of honor at the right side of Jesus. 2. His name to be dignified and used for naming children like other apostles. 3. A full Bible re-edict highlighting his honorable deeds. 4. Authorization to write and publish the gospel according to Judas. 5. Compensation sum of 30 million gold coins. 6. A public apology and clearing of name by Jesus and the angelic host. The court calls upon all heavens and earth, saints and sinners, to witness this historic case. All phones on silencing mood. Put your phones on silent. The Honorable Court, Judge Louis Lamis shall now preside.
Okay. I believe everybody can hear me. So how do you hear to say no? Amen. Good. Now I can hear myself. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, how are you and the family and everybody in the family doing?
Everybody is fine. You have a case.
We have a very, very, very good case, Your Honor.
And you are sure you will win?
Your Honor, this case, I don't see it as a case. I see that this one is a children that they have go to play a play somewhere. Okay. So we win this one hands down.
Okay.
But Your Honor, before I go on, I am privileged to announce to you one learned colleague that I have also invited him to come and help me in this case. Your Honor, this colleague that I talk about, he is very, very learned. He go to Mexico, he go to Papua New Guinea, he go to Amsterdam, he go to Australia, and then today he said that they send him to Pluto. He go study something. Pluto? He go Pluto.
Out of Earth.
Yeah, he's a learned. They get case at Pluto, the master people. So they call him, you go chop the case, he come back to Earth. That's why I bring him today to come and help me. Your Honor, with your permission, help me call my learned colleague. His degree that he have in law is KNUST, KMA, DVLA.
Counsel, Counsel. And these are all titles,
Yeah.
degrees.
He has learned KUST. He has learned KMA. He has learned DVLA. Not a small lawyer that I'm bringing here. But if he can, you see that this guy, he really, really learned.
Okay.
Your Honor, with your permission, help me call my learned colleague, lawyer Kejetia.
All right. Where is he? Quickly.
Your Honor, he's coming. I'll call him.
Yes, sir. All right.
Your Honor,
Counsel.
with your permission, I let him tell you something about himself, herself assistant here.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor, for this wonderful opportunity. I really appreciate. I like your chamber.
Counsel. Say something about yourself and sit down.
Please come again.
Say something about yourself and sit down.
Something. No one.
I say some, but I don't finish.
I will clear.
So you finish for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I will choose if you put to the buy.
Yeah, I tell him about Bluetooth.
Okay.
But maybe you tell him about the mass and other
Mass
players.
and so many of. Honorable, sorry, sir. Your Honor, thank you for the opportunity. I really appreciate it. Please, my name is, what want to say? What's that?
I say that you study KMA, KNUST, DVLA, so then you finish
Thank you.
everything.
My name is lawyer Kejetia from Pluto, the next planet. I've been working as a lawyer for so many years, different countries. When you talk of Afghanistan,
Thank you.
Jamaica,
Thank you.
Canada,
It's okay.
Europe, Germany, France, so many countries.
Okay.
Your Honor, this man is not a small man.
Yeah.
Before Kofanochi command the Golden Stool, he was there.
Who say A?
All right.
Were you there?
I asked you to tell us your case, and you introduce him. Can you tell us the case now?
Your Honor, I go on.
Your Honor. Your Honor, in the spirit of introducing fellow colleagues, I would like to take this opportunity to also introduce my colleague lawyers, so that they will be here and they will hear the case from the beginning.
All right. Carry on.
Very good. Your Honor, the first person that I am bringing out is a very learned lawyer. He did his LLB, that is the bachelor's degree, in Cambridge University in the United Kingdom. He did his LLM in Harvard in USA. And then he did his PhD in law in Yuajin University in China.
Can you just introduce him now so we can have the case?
Your Honor, why are you being biased?
I'm not being biased. We don't have time.
When somebody was introducing somebody who has learned KNUSC, DVLA, whatever, you watch him introduce.
Please. Your client. Your colleague.
Yes, the first colleague I'm calling out, his name, a man who has stature. A man. Your Honor, his name is Akranchi Adedefe.
Akranchi Adedefe.
No. His name is Akranchi Adedefe.
Call him.
Your Honor, the lawyer, why he walk like that?
How does he walk?
He look like somebody who can be wicked.
All right.
My lord, I hope my learned friend has introduced me.
Yes.
My name is lawyer Kwachi Adiafe.
Okay.
I have been in this job for so many years.
Okay.
In America,
Okay.
Asia, you name it.
Okay. I'll name it.
And I am understand the law.
Okay.
That's why I'm here.
Thank you very
So
much.
I'm going to defend my case here.
Thank you. God bless you. You can
Amen.
sit now.
Just now, you say I should sit now.
Yeah.
What have I done to you?
We are still with the introduction. We have not gone to the case. Sit so we can make progress.
Don't shout on me, please.
Please, be quick. Be quick.
Your Honor, when he walked in, you heard sound effects from this side. He's a very thick, tall man with a lot of. Your Honor, the next person I am introducing, because of the nature of this case, I had to bring somebody all the way from the kingdom of God. From heaven itself. Your Honor, when you go to heaven, there are 4 living beasts. And then there are 24 elders. The next person I'm calling, he's the head of the 24 elders in heaven. Yes. When the 4 beasts are misbehaving, he's the one who disciplines them.
Introduce.
Very good. His name is Lawyer Akutajini.
Okay.
All right. Lawyer Akutajini.
Please, where is he? Join us quickly. Let's...
Can you introduce?
Okay. Okay. All right. Counsel Inkutojine.
Objection, Your Honor. That is not what I said. I said his name, Malene, please introduce yourself.
My honor.
Hold it, everybody. Let's hear him. He says I have his name wrong. Please, your name once again.
Thank you, my honor. My name is Lawyer Inkutajine. You can call me Lawyer Dennis.
Okay, the first thing is Lawyer Inkutajine, Lawyer Dennis. You cannot dress like this in my court. This is...
Objection, my lord.
Yes.
You cannot disgrace my good learned friend.
I have...
Listen to me, my lord. This is the type of dressing that he has used for so many years.
Yeah. So...
In heaven...
Yeah, this is how you dress. But in my court, you have to tuck in now.
My honor.
Yeah.
We court or only you court?
Only me court. Only me court, tuck in.
Accepted. Accepted.
Accepted.
Accepted.
Listen.
Okay, so I can hear your case now as he tucks in.
Your Honor, before I go on this case, I want to quote a book that was written. The title of this book is Song and Garden of Birds. Your Honor, I quote from page 1 to page 500.
Hey! No.
Your Honor, I don't quote again. My learned colleague said I put it down.
Good.
Like I quote the whole book before we start, but Your Honor, our elders say that
Yes.
drink. But I say it depends on the alcohol that you drink. Your Honor, if you drink whiskey, good alcohol, that one you can think. But if you drink a pure booze, you don't talk any sense. Your Honor, this is a case of emotional neglect, abuse, and breach of agreement and trust.
My Honor, we are here to talk the case. We're not here to talk alcohol.
Your Honor, nobody talk alcohol. I give a premise to the whole case.
I believe it's just an example. It's just an analogy.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, my client here, his name is Judas Iscariot.
Judas
Iscariot.
Calot. We'll take it like that.
Yeah. So I have with me here Judas Iscariot, and then another beautiful woman. That one I introduce later to the call for you to see. Your Honor, why we are here? This man here is a very good disciple of Jesus Christ, the man who sits over there. Your Honor, he picked him. He said that, come and be my disciple. He follow him everywhere he go. Galilee, he follow. He go to Judea, he say, I'm here. He go to Bethlehem, he follow him everywhere. Your Honor, he lead my client on. He said that somebody will betray me. My client said that everybody asked. Peter asked, he said, Jesus, it's me. He said, no. He said, this one. Then he alone, he asked, he said that, go and do what you want to do. Your Honor, he to go and do what he want to do. Now, he can betray you. The prophecy that God talked, it has come inside. Through Judas, the prophecy has come inside that Jesus Christ has been killed and then he will resurrect to save people. After that, everybody see my client here as a wicked man.
How?
Nobody want to name their children after Judas Iscariot. Why?
How?
Your Honor, they write Bible. Matthew have a quotation. He have a book. He alone, he don't have any book in the Bible. Your Honor, after using him, he dump him somewhere. He throw him somewhere. Your Honor, if he has come here, it is simple. He is playing with the court. That the court should make him force Jesus Christ to go and put his name in the Bible. Also, let him have a seat in the right-hand side of Father in heaven. And also make sure that every parent that is in the world right now, they can name their children and call them Judas Iscariot. Your Honor, he also want to force the court to force him to give him 300 million gold coins. That one, if it is Galamsey that they will go and do, I don't care. They should give him that money so that his heart will fall his heart inside. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You have anything to add? You okay?
Yeah, Your Honor, you have something to
Your
say.
Honor, it's a very fine case. How can you use somebody to gain your property and after you destroy the person's name?
You destroy the person's name.
You destroy the person's name. You destroy my client's name. Because you, Jesus Christ, how can you use Judas? Everywhere you go, everywhere you carry money, every places. But after you pronounce Judas' name to the public, that Judas is a very wicked man for betraying you. All but you know that God called you to come for Judas to betray you, so you already know. So why are you destroying Judas' name? Your Honor, that's my final word.
Okay, interesting. Your opening defense?
Your Honor, it is indeed very interesting. Your Honor, before I go on, a wise man wrote a song and it says, Na Peter see, miana. Na John see, miana. Na Judas see, miana. Na Jesus see, waka. Your Honor, Jesus did not ask anybody to go and do anything.
Objection, Your Honor, you can't tell me that. How can you tell me that? Whilst you, Jesus, you know already that you are coming for my client. Your Honor,
Objection, my
this
lord.
case.
Objection, my lord.
Yes.
When you are talking, my little friend was keep quiet. Why are you interrupting his talking?
Okay, all right. So let's allow people to speak, especially now that they are opening.
Yes, sir.
So let them open their defense, and later we can do the cross-examination.
So let me warn him. This is your last warning.
No, you can't warn people in my court. That is for me to do. Okay?
Then warn him for me.
Okay, later. Sit. All right.
Your Honor, our opening defense is in.
Wait. Okay. Carry on. Quickly, please.
Your Honor, our opening for the defense is in 4 simple statements. And the statements are in Latin. I'm sure you are very familiar with these. The first one says, volenti non fit injuria.
Which means what?
It means no injury is done to a willing person. The second one, it says that acta non verba, which means deeds, not words. So even if Jesus said, go and do what you want to do, or go and do what you are planning to do, he did not tell you to go and betray him. He said what you are planning. So whatever was in your head, nobody put it there. Number 3 says, causa proxima non remota spectatur. Which means the proximate cause, not the remote cause.
Cancel.
So if you are holding a gun and you shoot somebody, you will be arrested. You can't tell me that somebody in the house told you to kill the person, especially if you cannot prove it.
So your opening defense.
Your Honor, the last one.
No. Just tell us, what is your defense in this case?
Your Honor, you can't cut it short.
I can cut it short.
It will not make sense.
Counsel, we don't have all day. What?
Your Honor,
what's your
if you
defense?
had not interrupted me a couple of times, I would have finished by now.
Finish it.
Thank you very much. The fourth one says, qui peccat ipse pectatum habet, which means he who sins himself has the sin.
All right.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Judas was not forced to do anything that he did. And so he cannot put the blame on somebody.
Okay.
Jesus did not ask anybody to name their child after anybody. They look at you and say, Your Honor, Judge Aloisi Alamisi.
My name is not Aloisi Alamisi. Don't mention my name.
My honor.
Yes.
He can mention your name. Why? Because you are the judge.
Yes. So that is why I have a title. You can use the title. You can address me.
And so for Judas to come and sit here and ask that Jesus should give him good name so that people will start naming. Hey, excuse me. What is the name of Bob Santos' best friend?
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, after Bob Santos' best friend, how many people do you know he called Judas?
That question is to me.
I want to ask
My honor, this case, we just waste your time.
Lawyer,
It's not good.
lawyer,
Wait.
lawyer. Well, minimum law school, my uncle law school, and share baby other. And a minimum baby other, minimum law school. The patron, me and solve case in here, the patron.
Objection, my lord.
Yes.
This learned friend, he's betraying my co-lawyer.
On TV.
He's disgracing him. Why?
Wow, how is he?
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
My lord.
Okay. Enough. Let's call our witnesses. Your first witness.
Oh,
Your Honor.
Wait. What is it?
we are disturbing our members of this court because this case doesn't hold water.
Okay. It doesn't hold water.
No. So we have decided and then
I should decide it and let you go.
we.
That's not how things are done. Okay. We. All right, counsel.
Yeah, Your Honor, we want to call our first witness inside the box.
Okay.
Your Honor, I want to take this privilege to call Judas Iscariot baby mama inside of.
Judas Iscariot's baby mama.
Yeah. His mother is here. Your Honor, if he is baby, this is mother, he's not baby mama.
My Honor,
Yes.
the woman started cursing.
Objection, Your Honor. We have a proverb that "Utrimu fire, tanonku." If you think you are here to speak about the truth, why are you fear curse? Keep quiet, my Honor.
Your Honor, let me also state clearly where I come from.
Counsel.
Your Honor, if people have started cursing, we can all refer. All I need to do is send a text message back home and everything will be sorted.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, I go ahead.
Yes.
I don't do math. I don't talk anyhow, just like that. Your Honor, I pose 3 questions to my beautiful client over here. Judas Iscariot baby mama, how are you?
She's not the baby mama.
Judas Iscariot baby mama. If he is the baby and this is the mother, it's not the baby.
Is
and the
she a baby sitting there?
My Honor, I told you, we're just wasting your time.
I'm beginning to believe that.
Your Honor, I don't. Okay, fine. Judas Iscariot mother, how are you? Tell the court how you are feeling.
I'm fine.
You are fine.
Yes.
Tell the court.
Wait. Judas' mother. Judas' mother.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Teresa Konto, sir.
You are the what?
Teresa Konto.
Yeah. Madam Dinah Kunto.
Teresa Konto.
His name is Teresa Dinah Kunto.
Okay.
The middle name as Dinah, but you don't.
All right, no problem.
Madam Kunto. How old was your daughter when Jesus Christ take him away? Tell the court.
Wait,